students. Good morning students. Welcome here in Ideal English Academy, that is Spoken English Academy. आज मैं आप लोगों को देने वाला हूँ small sentences. Daily use small sentences means the sentences or the expression which are used for daily use. For example, we use the word thank you, sorry, please, maybe sure, it's okay or yeah. So thank you we are using for saying thanks to someone. Sorry when we do something wrong or when we feel sorry. Please we use to ask for a favor, to ask for some particular thing to be done. Okay, yeah, yes, these are the words when we say, when we want to show our affirmation. So use sorry, thank you, please, yeah. Again, few more sentences I am going to give you. Use the word have, H-A-V-E. I have a pen, I have a car, I have this suitcase, I have this suit, I have this mobile. अगर आपके पास कोई चीज़ है so say I have a mobile, I have my breakfast tiffin box, I have my tiffin box. I have मतलब होना, मेरे पास है, I have this. When we ask to someone, अगर आपके यहाँ कोई गेस्ट आता है, if there is some guest at your home, so you will ask, have a seat, have water, have some breakfast, have a lunch, have a dinner. Means we are asking them कि आपको लेना है. So I have मतलब मेरे पास है, have it, it means take it. अगर आपको किसी ने पूछा है, if someone asks that take dinner with me, so that time we can say I had taken it. Had means already मैंने लिया, मैं ले चुका. I had my lunch, I had my dinner, I had my breakfast. Understood? अगर आपको किसी को, if you want to ask someone for favor or for help, can you give me, can you pass me, will you pass me for it? So can you, will you, these are showing that you are asking someone with request. Can you pass the bottle to me? Can you show me this address? Will you do favor for me? Will you help me? So in this way, if you want to show your gratitude, you can say thanks. I have mentioned in my previous video, you have done great work for me. Thank you from my bottom of heart. अगर आपको किसी ने thank you कहा है, तो आप कैसे reply करोगे? You will say it's okay. You will say don't mention. You will say it's my pleasure. You will say again I will be helping you in future. So it's my pleasure, or you can say that my pleasure. So it's okay and okay, these are the old methods. You can say my pleasure or it's my pleasure. It means in future also I will be having gratitude in helping others, because we human beings, we are social beings, we must help others. So students, use such a small sentences. Small sentences means have a lunch, have a breakfast, I am helpful to you, I have thank you for your help. So if you compose such a small sentences, so आपके there is a less percentage of committing mistakes, and you will be errorless, you will be flawless, you will have precision and you will have correctness, you will have confidence. छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बनाने से आप लोग गलतियाँ नहीं करोगे. You will learn those sentences and accordingly you will have command over these sentences. So आपको ऐसे सेंटेंस बनाने. If you want to ask for collocation, go with, I am going with, go with your work, go with homework, go with studies, make, when we make a project, make with. So if you are using such action words, and with that you are changing particular words, you can have 1,000 sentences, you can have hundreds of sentences. Have small sentences. For example, there is one word, do your work, do your study, do your homework, do your recital work, do your tables work, do your writing work, do your work. Only 3 letters are there. When you complete your particular work, that time you can ask, complete your homework, complete your designing, complete your architectural work, complete your painting work. So if you compose such a small sentences, ये sentences होते हैं छोटे, but their impact is more, their impact is huge, their impact is big, it gives confidence. So that's why for beginner students, this is my recommendation, that this is my video for beginners, that I will recommend to them, make small sentences, make error-free sentences, make pure sentences. So go to the library, go to the kitchen, have it. If you complete that, I want it, I want a table, I want water, I want to complete my homework. If you do this, so your confidence will be increased. So students, in this video I tried to share my views about small sentences. Compose small sentences. You will have very good days. In coming days I will be coming with lot of videos and you will enjoy it. Thank you.